Please start the setup file of Apparo Standalone with a double click. Your Windows user must be a Windows administrator. Press the Next button. You can choose between single instance and multi-instance. Single instance is the right choice if you want to run Apparo on a single server only. Multi-instance is helpful for larger environments with many application servers. It is possible to install automatically the web server too. In this movie we use the single instance option. Please accept the default name Apparo. Accept the default installation path. The setup will install the necessary web server too. The whole configuration of this web server will be done later using the Apparo Configuration Manager. Now the setup is copying the files. That needs some time. Now it is time to start the Apparo Configuration Manager. The settings are organized in chapters. You can find a detailed description for each setting in the yellow box. In Chapter Web Security Settings you can define the security group that is necessary for having full access in Apparo Fast Edit. If this setting remains empty then everybody has full access. In Chapter Repository you can define the database that must store all of your definitions. We will use the internal database that is suitable for small environments. In a real-world system you can use a typical relational database like IBM DB2, Oracle or SQL Server. Please paste the license key here. If you don't have a license key then please contact the Apparo support. With test configuration you can check the whole configuration. Now start Apparo with pressing Start Apparo button. Please open the Apparo portal. You can find a shortcut on this desktop with the name Apparo. This name can be changed later of course too. Because the system is empty we must define a new client. Each client is a separated environment with own security, own optical definitions and so on. Now we have defined the client with the name demo. Each client has many settings. This client must support the language English, therefore it is necessary to import this language. Here you can define the access rights for this client. The standard colors of all business cases and the designer itself are changeable too. Now the Apparo system is installed properly. It is now time for creating your business cases.